If you've ever bitten into a fresh peach and the juice dripped down your chin, and you just sat there with a big grin on your face, then I have a pretty good feeling that you're going to love the fresh peach cobbler that we're whipping up today. We start by cutting a good amount of fresh peaches into quarters, peeling them, and then cutting them into wedges. If you're like me, you might want to cut a few extras so you can nibble on them along the way. Once that's done, we combine some sugar, cornstarch, and a touch of cinnamon in a saucepan. After giving this a mix, we add some water and our cut up peaches and bring that to a boil. After this simmers for a minute, we pour this into a baking dish and dollop it with a homemade biscuit batter. Then we just pop this in the oven just long enough for the biscuits to set up and the tops to get golden. Can you think of a better way to use peaches? And when you scoop the bubbling hot peaches over the flaky biscuits, get ready to experience a true Southern favorite. To get this classic recipe, simply visit our website and look for our Southern Peach Cobbler. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a peachy keen way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Look at that. It's